The purpose of this unit is to help your students develop an understanding and fluency of numbers that sum to 10. You will be using 10 frames to help struggling students visualize 10 and numbers that sum to 10. An easy 10 frame is an egg carton cut into the 10 frame shape, but printed 10 frame patterns also work well. The goal of these 10 frame activities is to see or visualize 10 and the numbers which sum to 10. In order to do so, you must help your students establish a pattern for building numbers in a 10 frame. To do so, have students always fill a column first. The column, like a hand, always makes 5, allowing students to identify 5 quickly and count up from there until their visual patterns are established. Also, a number built always remains the same despite its orientation. This provides a visual example of the commutative property of addition in action. When adding two numbers, it doesn't matter which number the student builds first. Filling the column keeps the pattern consistent and helps struggling students see the number. So if 4 is built before 4 plus 6, completing the pattern, filling the column first makes the pattern visible. Some programs encourage building in a 2x2 pattern like this. But remember, we aren't concerned with establishing even and odd understanding. We want a clear visual pattern which eliminates the need to count. Seeing 5 cubes in this as 5 every time is more valuable for our purposes. You can build 10s in a variety of ways. This unit includes the use of Unifix cubes, two-sided chips, or two-sided beans, or pennies to produce heads and tails. The cup makes shaking and dumping them a lot easier than pulling out of a bag, but that would work. Use what you have available to you to help students build their numbers. Even construction paper squares will work on this kind of an activity. Having lots of tools available makes repetitive practice seem new.